Seeded consolidation rule sets are designed to provide a starting point for your consolidation requirements. 9 seeded configurable consolidation rule sets are provided if ownership management is enabled for an application. An additional 4 rule sets are available if equity pickup is enabled. Each seeded consolidation rule set contains one or more rules. To activate a rule set, you must first deploy it. The first 6 rule sets perform adjustments or eliminations between the investment of a holding company in a subsidiary and the owner's equity of the owned company. The first 2 rule sets deal with investment in subsidiaries' accounts, and the next 4 deal with owner's equity accounts. The PP or prior period rule sets apply the required logic to any accumulated but previously unconsolidated prior period investments that get carried forward in the opening balance. The owner's equity holding rule set captures the source equity as the intercompany partner in preparation for a subsequent elimination. The owner's equity accounts of a holding company will not be eliminated at its immediate parent level but at a subsequent parent level. The net income subsidiary rule set splits the ongoing post-acquisition income of the subsidiary between the owner's share and the minority interest share. The net income equity rule set records the ongoing post-acquisition income of the equity method company as a credit entry to the equity company income account and a debit entry to the investment income account of investment in equity companies. If you are using equity pickup, you must deploy the rule sets prepare source data and reverse holding company data. You can modify these rule sets to meet your specific needs. The prepare source data rule set gathers source data from the owned company for total equity but excludes equity company income. The reverse holding company data rule set reverses the equity pickup results posted to the holding company when consolidating to its parent. In addition to these 2 equity pickup rules, you must deploy either consolidate EPU source data or consolidate EPU source data indirect grouping. Both of these rule sets consolidate the source data gathered by the prepare source data rule set. Consolidate EPU source data tracks equity pickup based on individual source company, while consolidate EPU source data indirect grouping tracks equity pickup grouped based on each interim holding company. Seeded consolidation rule sets are sample rule sets that are designed to meet general consolidation requirements. You can deploy them as they are or modify them to suit your specific needs. To modify a rule set, create a copy of it and then modify the copy. The modified rule set can then be deployed. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.